Hi everyone, Sandy here. I'm excited to share with you my most recent design team package from Country Craft Creations. It arrived a little bit late due to Christmas shipping. I got it actually Christmas Eve afternoon, and I live in Texas, and this is the time of the year when ragweed and the cedar trees are raging, so my allergies have been acting up, so I may sound a little funny today, but enough about that. Stay tuned and I'll show you what I got in my package and what I'll be creating with next for you on my channel here for Country Craft Creations. This design team package is a blast, literally. I received Echo Park's Blast Off. It is adorable. I can't wait to show you all the papers. First of all, I'm going to go through the extras that I got from Country Craft Creations, and all these will be linked down below so that you can go shop and find them. If any products that you click on show up as page not found, that means that it's temporarily out of stock and should be back in soon. So what I got here is a couple of yards of this really beautiful 3/4 inch, I believe, or inch wide red and white gross grain ribbon, which is fantastic with the red colors here of this package. So I got that. Then, of course, I got a couple of yards of the uh, goldenrod, I believe it's called, seam binding ribbon from Country Craft Creations. Of course, you can get any color you want, but this is a fabulous color with this collection. They did a really good job picking out the ribbons for this. So I'm excited to use that. And I do love some jute string, so I got some, they sent me some in the navy color, which I just haven't used very much, but that's navy in there on the stickers and on some of the papers. There's black also, but this will work really, really great with this paper collection. I did get a pack of the ephemera, which I've already taken out of the plastic simply because I want to be able to show you without any glare. So this one is the ephemera, which has 34 die-cut pieces. So let me find me a tray that I can lay these in as I look at them. So you've got a lot of little sayings like playtime, love, be brave. Banners, I'm sure, spell out something like, probably like, maybe boy. There it is. B-O-Y, boy. That's cute. And just different little sayings. Blast off. We love the planetarium. Future engineer. Dream a little bigger, dear. Explore. Stargazer. You rock. Then we've got some symbols like this of the astronauts and the stars. You are my wish upon a star. All of these are super, super cute. The little rocket ready for adventure. Let's pretend. Love all of these. So as you can see, we have some frames. Shoot for the moon. Take me to your leader. I like that one. Okay, so all of these are really cute. Our future astronauts. So as you can see, it's designed more for a little boy's album, which is perfect. And or anyone maybe who likes solar system or astronauts and things like that. So we got some, that's super cute, the little alien and the little spaceship. Maybe that's a Martian. Okay, so that's the ephemera. And then I got the frames and tags, which is also 34 die cut shapes. So these are little tags, like that one stuck in your orbit. Another little tag. Super, super fun. Future scientist, a larger tag. Some little stars here. I like how the little aliens are kind of like animals. Like that's a little dinosaur. Legendary. This tag says adventure. Some more sayings like, hey, space cadet. Head in the clouds. Tag. Wish upon a star. Never stop exploring. You rock. There's a tag there. Another little frame in there. Over the moon for you. That's cute. Play all day. So you could just have a lot of variety here with this one. Love how it looks. Just stay young and wild and free. So those are what I'll be working with in my album. Let me set these aside for now. And then we'll get into the paper. So here on the front, I have the sticker sheet, which has simply adorable little alien characters here, your astronaut and the planets and the moon and the banners, explore. So I love how that looks like that. That's a little cloud with their little planets hanging down. Super, super fun. And then the patterned paper. So I've flipped these. I got 2 of each sheet. So this first one here that you see is the 6x4 journaling cards. So this is the back side with the gold color with all the spaceships and different icons on there, shooting stars. This one is Space Astronaut. So you have the kind of the dark, I think that's a black background. But anyway, you have them, this space walking from the spaceship, and then you have like little asteroids shooting off, blasting off on that one. This one is called, Stargazer. So you have a sheet full of stars on a white background, and on the back side you have the sun on yellow. So that's a good sheet. 3x4 journaling cards. With Echo Park, you do get a lot of journaling cards, which are great. You can make other projects out of it besides your main one. So this is kind of like a little blue on blue pattern on the back side of these 3x4s. 4x6 journaling cards have a stripe on the back of them. Super cute. You're out of this world. That's really cute. This one right here like that. This one is Space Mobiles. So you got the cloud with the little mobiles with the planets hanging down, and then this really nice orange with what looks like kind of a dark orange or red lines to make the checks. Blast Off Friends. I love this one on the black. Look at all the colors of the little aliens and the rockets and the stars. Super cute. And then this really bright green stripe. Lots of patterns in this collection. So we have Explore Plaid, which is a nice plaid, and then the stars sheet here is the back side. 4x4 journaling cards, and on the back of them you get the green stars, the stars on the green print. You are my sun and moon and all my stars. Very cute. This is something different from what I usually work with, so I'm kind of excited to be playing with this. I already have an idea of an album that I want to do. Actually, probably there will be 2. For sure there'll be an album right off the bat real quick to get my design team project done, and then I'll probably do a folio or something after that because there is a lot of paper here. So this one is called Friendly Aliens. Look at all the aliens in that paper. And then we have, it looks kind of like trees, but it's triangles there, so some kind of symbol there on the red. And Playful Planets. So look at all the planets and all the bright colors, and then we have the blue with the stars. Kind of a teal color. And this one is called Stellar Phrases. So we got all these wonderful phrases here, and then we have the red with the white dots. I love that right there. And I also got Echo Park's Checkerboard Summer, the orange check. I got 2 of these each, and it's orange solid on the back, which then I also got the navy in the Checkerboard Summer, and the red in the Checkerboard Summer. So this is cherry red. Make sure I get the colors for you here. Cobalt blue, which is a navy, and tangerine. Fun, fun colors to play with. Okay, and then I got the Blast Off solids that match the collection. I got 2 sheets of each. So this one here is the orange blue, the red and black, red and black, and then the green and yellow. So that's my papers. Then I also got two 12 by 12 chipboard. These are the lightweight ones. I'll either use the lightweight or the heavyweight. Either one will work with what I think my project is going to be. So that is my design team package. This go around the Blast Off by Echo Park Paper Company. I will link it down below. Be sure to check it out at countrycraftcreations.com. I'll be starting on my project right away to get it done, and excited to share it with you. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already to my channel. Click the bell so that you'll be notified when my videos are uploaded, so you'll be the first to know. Actually, you'll get notification as soon as I upload, even before I go and announce it on the Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations, which also, if you aren't a member of the Facebook group, Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations, you really ought to join. You have to answer 3 questions to become a member, and then you'll see all the fun, fabulous stuff that we share, projects, everyone that makes a project with Country Craft Creations, and new product announcements. So it's really a great group to be in. And always shop at countrycraftcreations.com. Remember, I have an affiliate link down below, as well as all the individual products are linked so that I can earn a little bit of commission on sales from this video to help me buy more glue and cardstock so I can keep making projects for you. Thanks, everybody. Have a wonderful day. I hope my allergies clear up pretty soon. I am taking some different meds for that. So all is good. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.